Welcome back, fellow coders. Jared O'Leary here with BootUp. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add to your timeline in the historical timeline remix project. Okay, so maybe you've solved the remix project and you've got the correct timeline. This is not correct, by the way. But maybe you've got the correct one. This is wrong, definitely wrong. Okay, what you would do is you could actually add to this. So you could say, okay, this is cool, but I want to actually add in a new section that's going to go right here. And it's going to be a new section, and I'm just going to call it new section. Okay, so the new section, I now need to add in some code kind of like down here. Okay, so what we previously had is it would like switch backdrops, it might switch the costume, it would say different things, etc. So all we have to do is in our events, we're going to say, when I receive the new section, we're going to do something. So then when we actually have our code, it might make Abby excited. She's going to do something, and then she's going to, I don't know, start thinking. Okay, so when we run our green flag, and it finally gets all the way down to the new section, it will make it do something. Abby's excited, and then she starts thinking. Cool. So this timeline has some really interesting information, some important things to know, but it's missing information. So your goal in this is to add to it. So you can put it in between, like I just did, or you can even add to the end and try and add more to this particular timeline. Cool. So that's what you're going to work on next. Thank you so much for watching this video. Let us know something that you learned or created in the comments below. And make sure to subscribe, like, and check out the links in the description for even more free resources, such as videos, free lesson plans, and our podcast.